2 of timing chain tensioner problem with F150 causing the internal oil pressure leak. As you can see, this is a tensioner, and besides the seal being broke on this tensioner in particular, this thing also has a gasket that is ripped. There's a little piece of gasket missing. It happens to be right here. Right here. ¿Me puedes sostener el teléfono? The gasket blows, and you can see it right here on this very corner. All the rest of the gasket is more or less complete, but there is a blow of pressure right here and right here. So when the tensioner starts to squirt the oil right here on the front seals, right here, as you can see, this was positioned in this position right here. You can see the seal was leaking and the gasket was also leaking. That creates that internal oil pressure leak that keeps your hydraulic lifters from working, from filling up. And this is the second part of this video. I hope it works and it helps you. Thank you very much.